Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Mr. Teen English Lab. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about something more valuable than money, time. Through this short motivational message, you learn useful vocabulary, national English expressions, and important life lesson at the same time. Let's get started. If time had the price, would you realize how much you're wasting? Time is gold, but gold can never buy time. We all know that, but somehow we still live like it's not true. We work harder, chase more money, and tell ourselves we'll make time later. Later to rest, later to care, later to live. But later is the easiest promise to break, because while we are busy earning, time is quietly living. Not loudly, not suddenly, just little by little. Through moments we don't notice and things we think don't matter. One more scroll, one more delay, and one more I'll do it tomorrow. And then one day we look back and wonder where it all went. Money can come back, opportunities can return, but time, once it's gone, it never turns around. So if there's something that matters, someone you love, a moment you should be present for, or a life you've been postponing, don't wait. Because the truth is, it's not that we don't have time, it's that we forget how precious it really is. Now let's move on to the next part called vocabulary takeaways, where you learn some keywords and expressions that we came across in today's lesson. And I also help you understand their meanings and show you how to pronounce them correctly and confidently. Let's get started. Make time. Make time có nghĩa là sắp xếp thời gian hoặc dành thời gian cho việc gì đó, cho điều gì đó. For example, you should make time for your family. Chase money. Chase money có nghĩa là theo đuổi tiền bạc, chạy theo tiền bạc. For example, many people spend their whole life chasing money. Little by little. Little by little có nghĩa là từng chút một. For example, your English will improve little by little if you practice every day. Postpone. Postpone có nghĩa là trì hoãn. For example, don't postpone your dreams because of fear. Look back. Look back nghĩa là nhìn lại, ngoảnh lại. For example, one day you look back and wonder where the time went. Be present. Be present. Be present nghĩa là có mặt ở hiện tại. For example, be present with the people you love. Precious. Precious nghĩa là quý giá, quý báu. For example, time is more precious than money. So, if this video helped you learn new English vocabulary and gave you something meaningful to think about, Don't forget to like, follow, and share this lesson with someone who is in need of it today. And remember, English is not about words, it's about understanding life, people, and the world around you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.